Hello friends, let's solve another LeetCode problem, Roman to integer. So in this problem, we'll be given a Roman number and we have to get its corresponding integer value. So in Roman, we use these given symbols I, B, X, L, C, D, M, and all of this symbol has this corresponding value. For example, I is 1, B is 5, and there are some special cases if a symbol of less value is written before a symbol of higher value. For example, IB, then the result becomes 4. Uh, so the I value 1 gets subtracted from B, that is B value is 5, so it becomes 4. Similarly, there are six such cases. It could IB as 4 or IX as 9, XL as 40 or XC as 90. Similarly, CD as 400 and CM as 900. So let's write a program in Python to calculate the numerical value of a given Roman number. So since Roman it consists of all these symbols, let's take a dictionary. We'll keep name it as data, and we'll keep all the symbols here. So I as 1, B as 5, X as 10, L as 50, C as 100, D as 500, and M as 1000. Let's keep a result variable and initialize it with 0. So in our result, we'll keep on appending the corresponding value of the symbol as we traverse with the string. Let's also keep a previous value, previous character. Let's keep it empty. So since whenever we have two characters uh, and the past character value is less than the next character value, in that case it would be like this exceptions IB or XL, XC, CD or CM. So for that reason, in order to compare that, we have given this previous variable. Let's start now. Let's start loop for I in S. We'll check if pref equals to empty. If pref equals to empty, in that case, this is the past case, and so we'll just simply assign pref equals to I, else we'll simply assign pref equals to I, and our result plus equals to data of I. So we'll get the corresponding symbol value from our data dictionary, and on the else part, now on the else, it will come to the else case only when pref is not empty. That means we have a pref value. Now let's compare if data of pref is less than data of I. Since we have already included the value of data of I in the like the actual data of prev in the result. So if data of previous is less than compared to data of I, In that case, it's like these six cases. So what we'll do is we'll subtract this value as well as the next value. So result minus equals to, or result equals to result minus 2 into data of prev. That's it. And out of the loop, we'll do result. We'll move this to here. Result plus equals to this, and prev equals to I. So that our current item will be stored as previous for next iteration. And at the end of the loop, we'll return our result. Let's run the test cases. Okay, we have output 4. We might have, oh, we moved it to down, but we still kept it here. This was included twice. Let's rerun. We get 3, which is correct. We LB triple I, L50, B5, 55, and then 3, 58, correct. MCMXCIB 1994, as expected. Here is the full code. Thank you for watching.